Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing some lights. I think these are called like map lights. Placing these lights right here, as you can see, it's this color and I don't like it anymore, and we're changing them. It's pretty simple. I'm changing them to this, like, I bought this. Yo, this packaging is amazing. I bought these lights from Amazon, as you can see. I bought these lights. It's like this RGB colored lights, and we're installing them and we're putting them in here. I'm gonna show you guys how to take this off and take the bulb out. It's really easy. All right, so here is what I bought. Now I'm probably not gonna drive with it on. It's just like when I'm at car meets and whatnot. All right, so the first thing you want to do to take these lights off is you want to get a flathead screwdriver. You want to get a really small flathead screwdriver like this, and you're gonna put it right here. There's a clip right here, and you're gonna put it in between here, lift out, and this is gonna come out. So you're gonna put the flathead in there. You want to go in like that, and then just out. That's all you gotta do. You're gonna grab it right here, or just pull it out. And this is what it looks like. And then right there, right up there is your bulb that you're gonna take out. But what you wanna do to take this out, you either use your hands to get it out, but I can't get a good grip on it. So you could also just use tape. Grab some tape right here. So I took the bulb out. It's not in there anymore, it's right here. So what you wanna do, I didn't film it because I was having a hard time doing it. You just want to take tape, right? It works a lot better. I slid the tape in the middle right here. I wrapped it around the bulb, pulled it out, and it comes out. So this is what I bought here. These are the little things. So what you want to do is you want to put it in. So it goes in like right here. So like sideways like this. Alright, so it looks like this basically for what I have. You want to test it right here. There's a little button and it turns on. Once again, I got the color changing one, so all I gotta do is take this remote right here and I can change the color. So right now it's blue. Bro, this looks freaking sick. Okay, anyways, I got blue right here, purple. Sheesh, dude. Oh, that's so sick. But I could like basically just change the colors. You can test it right here and everything. There's a little button right here. Just click on it to see if it turns on. If it doesn't turn on, take it out, flip it 180 degrees, put it back in. It should work. All right, so we're gonna do the other side here. So this is the other side. This is what it looked like before, and then this is what I did. You want to grab some tape. You could try using your hands to pull the bulb out, but I couldn't do it. So you want to grab some tape right here. You're gonna wrap the tape around the bulb, and you're gonna pull it out, and you're gonna grab it firm. You're gonna grab it firm and pull out. All right, so once you get your bulbs in and everything, as you can see, it works. I got them both set to purple at the moment. You want to put the lenses back in. These lenses right here. All right, you want to put the tabs in first, and you just want to, you gotta push hard on it. Dang, these are my lights. Looks pretty sick. It's my remote right here. So if I want, I could do green. Okay, green don't look bad. Red. Okay. Blue. And then I can make them flash too. They're pretty sick. I like these. That's how you install these lights. They're pretty easy. It'll take you like 5 minutes, maybe 10, maybe. But yeah. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my Genesis Coupe 2.0 T. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you all on the next video.